Anyone who wants to teach CAN Basics and Diagnostic is familiar with the problem. Vehicles are expensive, sensitive, and often not available at all. An entire class working simultaneously on real vehicles. For many schools, this is simply not feasible. Does this sound familiar? And even when the vehicle is available and functioning, the flood of data on an active CAN bus is hardly manageable. Thousands of messages at once lead to confusion on the oscilloscope. For learners, the connection between a message and the signal is hardly tangible. This is exactly where our UniTrain CAN system comes into play. A fully functional CAN bus, modular, robust, didactically designed specifically for your trainees. With the UniTrain CAN bus, everyone can work simultaneously with real CAN nodes, actual faults, and clearly measurable signals, just like in a real car. The data transmission becomes comprehensible. Hex data to signal to effect. Step by step, understandable, tangible, and measurable. And best of all, nothing gets damaged. No control unit, no cable, and no component. The lesson continues, no matter how often practice runs. So, the technology is ready for use. Isn't that wonderful? But what's next? Motivation comes when learners see their actions and understand why it works. With the accompanying LEA projects, this becomes structured teaching. Curriculum compliant, efficient, and ready to use, perfectly tailored to 45-minute lessons. We call this real experience learning, whether for vocational schools, training centers, or industrial training departments. With this training system, you teach CAN Diagnostics at the highest level, securely, clearly, and with practical relevance. Interested? Request further information or a quote now. Simply send an email to us. Make modern vehicle diagnostics tangible for your learners with the UniTrain CAN bus.